What if I told you that everything you've been taught about manifestation is only half the truth? Most people spend months, even years, trying to attract what they desire. But there's a hidden mechanism that accelerates everything. A mechanism so powerful that it can collapse time itself. The ancient masters knew this secret. They understood that attraction is not about wanting. It's about becoming. Have you ever noticed that the moment you stop chasing something, it suddenly appears? This isn't coincidence. This is the law revealing itself to you. Today, you're going to experience a transformation in your nervous system, a recalibration of your energy field that will allow you to attract with impossible speed. But first, I need you to understand something that will change everything. You don't attract what you want. You attract who you are. When you want something, you're sending a signal of lack, a frequency that says, I don't have this. And the universe responds with more of that same lack. But when you become the person who already has it, when you embody that frequency, reality has no choice but to rearrange itself around you. In a moment, I'm going to guide you into a deep state of presence, a place where transformation happens at the cellular level. But before we begin, take a slow breath. Just one breath. Feel the air entering your body and leaving. This breath is connecting you to the infinite intelligence that orchestrates all of life. Now, gently close your eyes. Allow your awareness to settle into this moment. There's nowhere to go, nothing to fix, nothing to become. You are already whole. You are already complete. You are already the person you've been trying to become. Bring your attention to your breath, not controlling it, just witnessing it. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth as it leaves. With each breath, you're calibrating your nervous system to a higher frequency. Now imagine yourself 3 years from now, living the life you desire. See this version of you clearly. How do they walk? How do they speak? What is their energy like? Notice the confidence in their posture, the lightness in their movements, the certainty in their eyes. This person is not hoping for their dreams to come true. They are already living them. And here's what most people don't understand. This version of you already exists. They exist in a parallel timeline, a frequency just beyond your current perception. And the way to access this timeline is simple. You step into their skin. Right now, I want you to imagine that you are merging with this future version of yourself. Feel their confidence flowing into your chest, their clarity settling into your mind, their peace washing over your entire body. You are not pretending to be them. You are remembering who you truly are. Bring your awareness now to your heart center, that sacred space in the middle of your chest. Breathe into this space and feel it expanding, glowing, radiating. This is your power center. This is where attraction happens. From this space, declare silently, with absolute certainty, I am already living the life I desire. Not I will. Not I hope. I am. Feel the truth of these words in every cell of your body. Now imagine the feeling of already having everything you desire. What does gratitude feel like? In your body? Perhaps it's a warmth in your chest, a tingling in your hands, a softening in your face. Amplify this feeling now. Let it grow. Let it fill every corner of your being. This feeling is the frequency that collapses time. When you hold this frequency consistently, reality reorganizes itself with miraculous speed. Now, bring your attention to the sounds around you, without labeling them, just experiencing them. Notice how sound moves through space, how it vibrates in your ears, how it dissolves into silence. You are training your awareness to perceive beyond the surface, to sense the invisible currents that shape reality. Bring your awareness now to your hands. Feel the energy pulsing in your palms, the subtle tingling, the warmth. This is life force energy, the same energy that creates worlds. You are not separate from creation. You are creation itself. In a moment, I'm going to invite you to return to waking consciousness. But you won't be returning as the same person. You are returning as the version of yourself who already lives the dream. From this moment forward, every action you take, every word you speak, every thought you think will come from this place. You will walk differently. You will speak differently. You will perceive differently. And the universe will respond to this new frequency with opportunities, synchronicities, and manifestations that will astound you. When ideas come to you, follow them without hesitation. These are not random thoughts. They are divine guidance. Take a deep breath now and begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently bring movement back into your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. You are no longer who you were 15 minutes ago. If this content resonates with you and helps lift your energy, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.